So here's how to order items from Panda Buy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to install your Panda Buy app. And here in the search bar, you have to type in the items that you want to buy. Now from the list, you have to select your preferred item that you want to buy and then click on it. After that, it will open this page. Now from here, you have to click on the buy now option or add to cart. Once you click on it, now at this page, you can customize your order as you want. After selecting your design and color, then click on the submit option at the bottom. Now check this box and click on the submit, and after that it will open this page. Then here you have to select your payment method and then click on the pay. Now here at this page you have to enter your payment details. After that click on the pay at the bottom. Now you have successfully placed your order on Panda Buy. So that's how to order items from Panda Buy.